everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Sunita. Nice to meet you. Today in this series, we will learn the French alphabets. Now allow me to introduce myself in French. Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je m'appelle Sunita, enchantée. Aujourd'hui dans cette série, nous allons apprendre les alphabets français. French is a beautiful language, but a little different from English. However, French and English have a lot of similarities. Order of words is quite the same. There are 26 alphabets in French language. Il y a 26 alphabets en français. In fact, the pronunciation is a little different. For easy understanding of pronunciation, I have mentioned the script in 4 different languages: English, Hindi, Telugu and Odia. So, let us see how the pronunciations are. Let's get started. Commençons. Les alphabets. The alphabets. In French, A is pronounced as A, B as bed, C as c'est, D as there, E as F as F, G as j'ai, H as H, I as E, J as J, K as K, L as L, M as M, N as N, O as O, P as P, Q as Q, R as F, S as S, T as T, U as U, V as V, W as W, X as X, Y as Y, Z as Z. Amongst these alphabets, I would like you to focus on few alphabets which have different pronunciation from English. To begin with, A as A, B as bear, C as c'est, D as there, E as G as j'ai, H as H, I as E, J as J, K as K, P as P, Q as Q, R as F, S, T as T, U as U, V as V, W as W, X as X, Y as Y, Z as Z. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. In my upcoming videos, I would like to explain how to use these alphabets in the form of words. So that is it for now. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt et au revoir. Thank you. See you later and goodbye.